Ninth class, as we all know, that during the preparation of hydrogen, uh, the hydrogen produced in the lab is very less. So today we want to study a method in which large amount of hydrogen gas can be produced and collected. It can be used for industrial purpose, or large number of demand is there, because hydrogen is also considered as a future fuel. So the method which we will be studying is a Bosch process. Now this Bosch process involves 3-4 steps which we need to understand. First is the step which is production of water gas. We know how water gas is produced. When coke is taken and it is heated till white hot, and then steam is passed over it. White hot coke is taken, and this take place at around 1000 degrees Celsius temperature, and superheated steam of 170 degree temperature is allowed to pass through it. When they both react, they give rise to water gas, which is a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Okay, and this reaction is endothermic because all the heat of 1000 degree is absorbed and contained in carbon monoxide and hydrogen. In second step, this carbon monoxide is being removed from here because we don't want carbon monoxide, we need hydrogen. So in our second step, what we are doing, this water gas is mixed with large amount of steam. Water gas is mixed again with large amount of steam, and this gas mixture is allowed to pass through a catalyst, ferric oxide and chromium oxide, where chromium oxide is acting as a promoter, and temperature is around 450 degree. This carbon monoxide in this oxidizing nature catalyst will get converted into carbon dioxide, and more amount of hydrogen is being produced. The amount of hydrogen was 1 molecule. Now here how much molecule we are getting? Twice. 2 hydrogen gas molecules we are getting, and along with that large amount of energy is released. This reaction is exothermic. Now in this case, what is there? This gas mixture contains carbon dioxide, hydrogen gas molecules plus unreacted carbon monoxide molecules are present. They are impurities, they needed to be removed. So to remove all these impurities, what we will be doing? We will be passing the above mixture through cold water at 30 atm pressure or caustic potassium hydroxide solution. First we will be putting water will at high pressure, it will change into carbonic acid. It will get changed into carbonic acid, and hydrogen gas can be separated. Second method taken is dissolving it in potassium hydroxide, like in that first video before this, we are used potassium hydroxide is used to remove sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide and oxides of nitrogen. Similarly, potassium carbonate and water is formed. So carbon dioxide gas is separated at this step. Now step number 4 is separation of carbon monoxide. Like we studied in step number 1, that carbon monoxide is formed along with water gas mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen, but some amount of carbon monoxide does not get converted to carbon dioxide in step number 2. So what we need to do, we will pass it through ammonical cuprous chloride solution. It will combine with cuprous chloride and water, a combined addition compound is formed. The moisture in hydrogen is removed. Now this carbon monoxide and water are removed. Now this gas might be containing some moisture that can be removed by cooling down the hydrogen gas at minus 20 degree temperature, where water freezes. It freezes over there, and pure hydrogen is collected in a steel containers. Okay. Now from last one video, we had seen there was sodium, metal. I am finishing Bosch process. Some small video from back, that large number of metals we are using, like sodium, potassium, zinc, magnesium, iron, aluminium, lead. Other metals are also there, but out of them only zinc is preferred to other metals. Why? Because potassium, sodium are very expensive. Iron reacts but very slowly, and during that reaction it produces H2S and SO2 gas also. Aluminium is having a problem, it forms an oxide layer, and reaction stops after some time. Lead also reacts very slowly, and after reacting with HCl or sulfuric acid, it forms two compounds. lead chloride and lead sulfate which are precipitate, again reaction stops. And there are metals like copper, mercury which are below hydrogen in the activity series, a displacement reaction is not going to take place. So with this I will finish this topic. Okay, now only one topic is left behind, that is oxidation and reduction reactions, that we will do in next week.